Hello everybody, I am Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And today we're going to do a smoked Mississippi pot roast. That being said, I grew up for a little bit in Greenville, Mississippi. I don't ever remember my mom making me a Mississippi pot roast. So this might be my first one. What are we going to do today, Amber?
Okay, so we are going to rub this down with some Meat Church Holy Cow seasoning. We're going to smoke this for 2 hours at 275. Then we're going to bring it back in and we're going to season it with some au jus and some ranch seasoning, some pepperoncinis, and some butter. And we're going to cover that with some foil, let it braise for a couple of hours, and then we're going to shred it, and we're going to make some tacos for Taco Tuesday as part of our 52-week-long Taco Tuesday challenge that we started on April 6th.
Sounds good. What are we using for the seasoning today?
Holy Cow
Meat Church Barbecue. Let's get going.
All right. All right, so I've got it all seasoned up, and now we're just going to take it out, put it on the smoker for 2 hours, and we'll meet you back. Okay, so our smoker's up to temp, and we're going to use the shelf here to keep the meat a little bit away from the direct heat while it smokes. We're going to smoke this for 2 hours, and we're going to hope that we can beat the storm that's moving in. Okay, so the roast has been on the smoker for 2 hours. We just removed it. It's raining outside, so we didn't take the camera out with us. Next, we're going to take a stick of butter, and we're just going to put that on there. And we're going to sprinkle a packet of ranch dressing. And then an au jus gravy packet. And then we have 8 pepperoncini peppers with a little bit of juice. Now all we're going to do is we're going to cover this with some aluminum foil. We're going to put it back on the smoker for 2 hours, and by then it should be nice and tender. And then we're going to bring it back in, shred it for some tacos tonight. All right, we just got it off the smoker. It's been on there for 2 hours covered. Oh man, that looks good.
That looks real good.
Yeah. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna take this out and shred it. Okay, so we're gonna cut into this. Oh, look at that. See that nice smoke ring?
Sure looks good.
It looks really
It
good.
Smells great.
So did you come over here to get a taste?
Yes, I did. I gotta try some before we even put them on the tacos.
All right, there you go. I'm gonna give me a fork.
Oh man. That is good stuff.
That's really good. It is so tender.
Oh man.
And all those different seasonings and flavors
Yeah.
just work perfectly together.
So what was in the? Well, it was just the fat from there. We just put the ranch on there.
No, this was the butter.
Right, butter, the ranch.
Butter, the ranch, the pepperoncinis, and the au jus packet.
Man. Holy moly, that's good.
This is going to make some really great tacos.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Mississippi, for coming up with the idea. Woohoo! I don't know why they call it that, but
I don't either, but
it's good stuff.
very good stuff. That's going to make some great tacos for our Taco Tuesday challenge.
Yeah. I say let's get our tacos going.
And you know what? I could just, that last bite that I just took, could definitely taste some of the pepper
Yeah.
flavor in there.
Yeah. Yes, you can. I know. She's telling me to quit eating so much. I'll quit. What? That's good stuff. Nothing wrong with eating some.
Okay, so made up some tacos. We cooked the tortillas on our Blackstone. We've got some lettuce on there. We've got some guacamole that we made with some Meat Church Holy Voodoo seasoning and some 505 Southwestern flame roasted green chili. And we've got some queso blanco on there. And then we drizzled some Duke's Alabama style white barbecue sauce on here. And Sean, it's ready for you to try.
It's a thick taco, just like I like them. Oh man. That is one good taco, baby. You did good. I'll say this, that taco is smacking good. Man, that pot roast is wonderful on there, the meat. And then the cheese. Oh man, that Duke's Alabama style white barbecue sauce is great on there. Oh man. But that pot roast meat is something else. And I'm making a mess as I normally do. Love the guacamole on there. Amber makes some good guacamole. Man, I gotta say again, that's smacking good. That's too smacking good. Man.
I'm glad you like that.
So I did want to say, since I brought it up, I did Google it to find out why it's called Mississippi pot roast. And it was actually a lady named Robin Chapman. And according to Southern Living, Mississippi pot roast was the invention of Robin Chapman, a mom from Ripley, Mississippi, who stumbled upon the creation in the 90s when she tried to make her aunt's pot roast recipe less spicy for her kids. And part of it says, that being said, she never called it apparently Mississippi pot roast, but as it became more famous, that's just the name it was given, apparently. But that is good. I mean, I can tell you, before all this started, I would never thought of using that meat on a taco. But that was very good. I'm glad I got some more tacos to eat. So, man, I think we just need to get all this together make up those other tacos and get going on it because everything's better together. Here you go. Oh. That is smacking good, ain't it? Oh man. Don't be shy. Did good.